Each step we take drains our energy reserves. Our bodies rely on vital nutrients from the food we eat, and mineral nutrients, such as potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen, are essentials for our survival. We need food to sustain us, but what sustains food? And where do these essential nutrients come from? The answer lies beneath our feet, in the soil. Just like us, plants need a balanced diet of 19 mineral elements, plus carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, to be healthy, which must be present in the plant's soil for them to offer us the nutrients we need for health, growth, and survival. But every harvest depletes the soil of these essential mineral nutrients. Fertilizers play a critical role in replenishing them. They enable soil to nourish plants so that plants can nourish us. Without fertilizers, many soils will be as depleted as we would become if all we ate was junk food. It's a full circle. Rich soil leads to rich harvests, which leads to rich human health, and fertilizers help complete this circle. From small farms to large agricultural operations, fertilizers are helping to feed the world sustainably, improving soil, plants, and human health on a global scale. The next time a nutritious meal recharges your energy, keep in mind you're part of the interconnected cycle of life sustained by fertile soils. Happy Global Fertilizer Day!